Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today,
Sorry, I'm going the right way, right?
yes, you are. Today we are taking off this diff and welding it. If we could get the axle nuts off. We'll see. We'll see. Watch your knuckles in case that does crack. Well, I'm an idiot and I stopped the video once he cracked it, but it's okay.
It's okay, because you'll get the other side.
That side's gonna be fun.
This side's going to be so fun.
That's what happens when you live in a townhouse. You guys understand. We're just taking the axles off and then gonna jack the car up, take the wheels off, and get the diff out. Yeah, so I'm just underneath here, loosen up everything to get the axles out, get this bad boy. Just trying to mark at least the bolts so I don't screw up his alignment like crazy, but yeah.
Turn down driving the Mercedes real fast.
Oh,
I have keys for the Rogue.
oh, no Mercedes.
Yeah, sorry.
This guy got my hopes up. What a...
Because I even said that to her. Standing outside and realized I didn't have keys for the Rogue. And I was like, I guess we're driving the Mercedes, but I'm like, I should go in and make sure that's okay first. And then I went in and I'm like, and then she's like, yeah, that's not okay.
What is the exhaust on this again? It's a Tomei.
So the front pipe is a Tomei, and the exhaust, like the high flow resonator to the catback is all Spec D tuning. And I know a lot of, like I told the guy at work who has a BRZ.
So
I was like, yeah, I'm getting the spec.
I don't know how well you could
like,
see.
That thing sounds like shit. That thing's like so drowny and so basic. And I'm like, and I put her on the car with the Tomei Extreme.
I'm sorry, I'm really crunched up under here.
And it sounds amazing. And I cannot wait to get UEL like unequal edge headers.
It's got the little
it's gonna sound beautiful
tips.
once I get those headers.
It sounds really good.
I know it sounds good already. But it's gonna sound even better once I get those headers.
It's not crazy loud either.
I know.
Alright, I'm gonna get back to it. Update you guys when it's out. It is literally the next day, and we have the axle out, strains, diff's ready to come out. We're just undoing. Oh, you can't really see. Undoing the diff. It is a very bad angle, but you guys understand. We've been running back and forth all day yesterday, going back and forth for tools, and yeah, it's been a very hectic and boring. Not boring, but annoying. Very annoying.
You need a 14 though.
Bro, it should be over there.
Is it? Is it on top up there on the truck?
Why would it be on top of the trunk? No, it should be down there. I threw it to you, bro.
I know you did, but that's what I'm saying.
It's not up there.
Am I lying on top of it? No. I know you. No, remember you threw me an 18.
No, I threw you a 14 and you gave me an 18 back. Where did you put it? He started the speaker and it ended the clip. But you guys get it. You get this drive shaft out, get this diff out, and then weld her up, slap her back in. It's going pretty easy, to be honest. It's just a different chassis. We're Honda boys, we don't know this shit. It's weird being at the back of the car.
I was gonna say that's why I got it.
702 trying to take the diff out. Alright, so what are we doing now? What are you doing?
We just got the drive shaft out finally with this tiny little thing.
Where's your
Snap
tires?
on, let's go. And now we're finally gonna
Get the diff actually out?
actually out.
Okay,
Like
see
out.
if I can get a better view. So yeah, we were just been struggling with the drive shaft bolts, as you can see.
And now we're gonna take these 3 bolts in the back out and then drop it down and take this out.
Clean it, weld her up, slap her back in
Real quick.
with your 105 horsepower.
It's actually 200 horsepower, but only 150 torque. So.
We make it work. We make it work. We just put a lot of air in those tires. All right, we'll catch you guys when the diff's out.
Old man.
All right, so we finally got the diff out. Yeah, just cleaning the diff up. It's all blowed up. I'm getting high from just sitting. I don't know if a lot of people do this, but I was told if you heat it up, it helps the weld penetrate better. So we gonna heat it up. Got it all welded up finally. Clean her up. Make sure there's no metal flakes. None of that garbage, because we don't want to have to do this again. That would really suck.
Can you turn it for me?
Wait. The drive shaft is back in. This axle's in. He's over there and put the other axle in. He's just tightening the drive shaft bolts and put some diff fluid in it and see if she works. I hope to God she works, because I really don't want to have to do this again. Sorry for the really bad camera angle.
Should be
go back there so I can see both wheels. Yeah, both wheels are spinning. We're just torquing down the axles, nuts, and the wheels, and we're gonna take it for a little test drive, make sure it's all good. You guys saw the wheels spinning and everything, so hopefully she runs solid. You could slide some corners, do some drifts, do some burnouts, you know, have some fun. Probably can't really see us, but going for the first test. Hopefully this goes good.
It's chirping. I keep thinking it's up back there, but then I'm like, oh wait, no, it's just the tires chirping.
Wait till you have a sticky tire. That's when axles start to break. I don't know if you can really see us. It's really dark, but. Actually kind of pucker a moment because I was not expecting that one.
It feels really good now, man.
So I would say a great success.
It's a great success. Yorkshire mash.
So I don't know if you can see us again, but she is ripping. She's feeling good. So that was successful. It runs, drives, great. It does its job and spins both wheels. I'll just put it away and yeah. All right, like, comment, subscribe. Bye.